Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here for explaining the accommodation of watching distance by either by human eyes or by camera. At the time of getting enough through a camera, we adapt like this. In camera, there is a adaptation of changing location of the lens. But in human eye, there is no chance of changing, only there is one lens, right? And this lens doesn't have dislocating capabilities. The only thing we can do at the time of watching distance thing, we just make our eyes like this. We make this is a eyeball, right? Behind the eyeball, there is a suspensory ciliary muscle. This back side of the eyeball, there is a muscle. When you want to watch distance, this muscle feel relaxed. Yes. Hey object, hey product, enter into my eyes. We need to believe that we don't have any light. So from the object, light come into our eyes. So when you watch the distance thing, object, we just make our lens flatter. Because we make this, yes, so that become flatter. There is a suspensory ligament. In car, there is a suspension. Shock absorber. So this lens become flatter. Why that has been flattened? Because normally the ray that are entering into the eye, here there is a watery things. In front of our eyes there is a cornea, where from the ray enter to the lens, last of all retina. So cornea also water is some greasy substance, crystalline greasy substance. So first refraction, ray first time get changed. Refraction mean getting changed. So first getting changed held here. Now automated eyes is telling, hey, no further refraction need to be held in lens. Why? Because our eyes target is forming image over the retina, cones of the retina. So after image being formed, through the optic nerve, brain watch any object. So duty of lens, duty of eye is forming an image. So you are watching, as normally we can watch further things. So here lens is not giving high pressurization. On the other hand, when you want to watch the bookish word, especially at the time of watching closer, you will see my eyes automatically become. So as my eyes is becoming smaller, so this ciliary muscle giving pressure to the lens. Hey lens, get bulky, get fatter. Why? Because I knows, nature knows, Almighty has devised the system. Lens, here the refraction held, but image and object now very closer. So quick bending need to be held. So whatever the bending, whatever the refraction held here, not enough for making image over the retina. So by being bent, the lens make the further bent. Refraction mean bending of the rays. Now if this lens don't become bent, image become from backside of the eyesight, which is not watchable, which is not realizable, because if image only held over the retina, then brain, yes, I am watching. So retina over the image only need to be held over the retina. Okay, so for getting the suitability, accommodation, adaptation, okay, this two mechanism, one mechanism getting relaxed and lens becoming flattened, and here getting pressurized, contracted, lens becoming bulky. Why? Further rays bending need to be held, and this is natural mechanism. When you want to closer, my eyes is small. Your eye become more. Okay, when you want to watch distance, normally your eye become. So, dear student, we don't leave any stone unturned on the question of understanding. Topic-wise explanation, then topic-wise international short exam. I mean, after explanation, short exam will be held from Igcse Cambridge resources. And we never evaluate from ourselves. Again, that will be evaluated by the British answer paper. So understanding, tackling international question, evaluating from international resources. In this way, evening time 4 classes, morning time mock. After getting full preparation, you may give exam with passport through the British Council. It's simple. You go to the British Council website for registration, that is open. Or you may give exam from your existing school. Okay, if you get bad result from the decorated big school, on the other hand, if you get 8, we would teach 8 subjects, science, either science or commerce. If you get 8 A star, 3 A level, 3 A star, you can deserve admission in Harvard, MIT. So this is your decision. Please come in our center, online classes, random, all day long classes, and brighten your life. Thank you very much.